What?
Nothing.
We should have taken my car, like I said, several times.
It's a new car.
It was new to someone about 20 years ago.
There's no jack.
Grab the spare. No spare?
No spare. I know. Worst date ever.
Oh my God, worse. Remember the double date?
What about New Year's?
Christmas with your parents?
That time your sister.
Please don't say it.
Actually, it's not our best date yet.
I found joy in heart. The steps on the hill. And how they can bear. Highlights and highlights. Highlights and highlights.
It must be the Northern Lights. Maybe they've got a spare.
Take me! Don't let them take me too.
What in the hell were you two thinking?
We were just trying to help.
Why don't you try and help me understand what the hell happened here?
Right. Well, we were trying to gently persuade him to pull over. He was getting away?
He got away.
Right, because obviously he's some sort of criminal mastermind, Dad.
You want to guess what the stolen merchandise is?
Critical life-saving medical equipment.
No.
Poison gas?
Nope.
Filled with drugs?
Helium.
Helium. This could be a good thing. That we saved helium? I mean that they don't need us anymore. Oh, they need us. They just don't know it. We're all going off to college soon. So Beacon Hills is going to have to survive without us. Beacon Hills will burn to the ground without us. Styles. They don't need us. They need us!
Alex, you know we're having trouble locating your parents. And since you can't remember anything, we have a method. An unusual method that might help you remember. But I need you to be okay with it. I also need you to know that it's probably gonna hurt.
I don't care.
I just want to find my mom and dad.
You ready?
I told you we shouldn't have taken him to an R-rated movie.
I wasn't scared.
Well, I was terrified. Maybe we shouldn't take me to R-rated movies.
You weren't scared. Not even just a little. Maybe a little.
What'd you see? I saw a guy on a horse. Horse? He had a gun.
Okay, a guy with a gun. That sounds like my department, not yours.
What about his parents? What happened to them? I don't know. That's all I remember, but I got this feeling.
What kind of feeling?
They're coming back. They're coming for me.